Hi everyone. In this video, we'll see how to compare A and power set of A. I see that a lot of students have doubt that whether A is contained in power set of A or A is simply an element of power set of A, and what is the difference and why is that always confusing. So all of them, of course, we'll try to sort it out in this particular lecture. Let's take an example. Let's take a very pretty easy example that I have a basket of one apple and one orange, right? So we consider this is the set A over here. We call this set A. Yeah. So this is the set A, which contains one apple and one orange. That's how we think of A is equal to this. Now, what is the power set of A corresponding to this? If you notice in the next slide, I have the A here. So the empty basket, which is one of the elements in the power set of A. Remember, the power set of A is the bigger basket containing all of them. So this contains an empty basket, and it contains a basket inside only one apple and another basket with the orange, and another basket with both orange and this one. The way we usually write this in our usual mathematics manner is power set of A is simply an empty set, which is the representing the empty basket, and then one of them is simply having one apple. Let me simply write something like this, and then another one is simply containing a singleton orange, and another one is containing both the apple and orange, which is typically the set complete A itself, correct? Now, how do we compare? So what we want to do was we want to compare whether A is contained in the power set of A. So what is the definition? We want to look for any element in this A, or in fact every element in this A should be in this P of A, which is power set of A, to say that whether A is contained in power set of A or not, correct? Which means I need to look for an apple, which is the element of A, whether apple is inside this bigger basket or not. Remember, the bigger baskets are containing the basket. So I'm trying to, of course, compare an apple with either the apple is equal to this empty basket or not, which is not possible. And again, whether the apple is equal to the basket inside that apple or not, definitely not. So the apple, whatever over here, is definitely not equal to the apple with the basket, correct? And similarly, it is not equal to this and is not equal to this, which means the apple which you have inside this A is not inside this bigger basket, whereas it is inside the smaller baskets inside, which means A is definitely not contained in P of A or power set of A. But I can say one more thing. What is that is, look at this basket over here. This complete basket is residing exactly at this place, right? What does that mean is, this A is sitting inside the bigger basket. The way we represent that the complete A is sitting inside the bigger basket is simply writing A belongs to power set of A. So I hope this clarifies your doubt. So the apple cannot be compared with any of the basket and inside apple or not. That's not possible. So what is the final outcome? What is the final thing? So A is not subset of power set of A, but A belongs to power set of A. That's a different thing. So this is calling subset, and this is checking that whether it is element or not. Make sure that you understand this very well, that A is containing the elements as apples and oranges, but the power set of A contains the elements as baskets. So this is one basket, this is one basket, this is one basket. So the next layer, if you look into it, then basket has something else, which we cannot compare it straight away, whereas we have to compare it inside. Okay. The final thing is, A is not a subset of power set of A, but A is an element of power set of A. I hope this makes a little bit idea. This gives you a little bit idea about clarifying your doubt. I hope that helps you a lot. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And to see more videos, just click on this bell icon to receive notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.